video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced loading screen script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just need to click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file. Go to images folder. You can see all the images. You can change or customize it according to your use. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the script.js file. From here we can customize the loading screen according to our use. So I'll be changing the title over here and the description as well. After making the changes, press Ctrl Save. Before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default loading screen script from here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So this is a custom loading screen which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. You can see the interface over here, the name of the server, the description of the server, and the Discord link and custom images, as you can see. You can also set the number of players who are available in the server. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.